So last week was quite the ride with the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 index both inching closer to their all-time highs. And even the Nasdaq Composite Index wasn't too far behind, keeping investors on their toes. However, as the week drew to a close, it seemed like the market was taking a bit of a breather, perhaps catching its breath after the recent surge. But fret not, dear investors, for the upcoming week promises to be chock full of excitement and opportunities. Welcome back to Stock Whispers, your gateway to investment brilliance. Today, we've got some thrilling earnings reports and a slew of key economic indicators slated for the week ahead, making it a prime time to stay tuned and keep a close eye on the market movements. From big name companies sharing their financial results to important data releases that could sway investor sentiment, there's no shortage of action in store. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the world of investments, there's something for everyone to pay attention to. Get ready to buckle up and ride the waves of the market as we navigate through another week of financial ups and downs. It's sure to be an exhilarating journey. Alright, folks, let's talk about some interesting stocks that you might want to keep an eye on. It's not just about those trendy AI companies that have been making waves lately. It's important to spread out your investments and look at different sectors too. So, here are a few names to consider: Celsius Holdings, Weatherford International, Lennar, General Motors, and Shockwave Medical. These companies are showing some promising signs and could be worth checking out. First up, we've got Celsius Holdings, which makes energy drinks. They've been making steady progress and seem to be on the upswing. Then there's Weatherford International, a company in the oil field services business. They're getting close to a breakout, which could mean good things for their stock. Next, we've got Lennar, a big name in home building. They've been trying to push through some tough times, especially with mortgage rates bouncing back, but they're still one to watch. And don't forget about General Motors. They're in the midst of a turnaround, and traditional car companies like them are gaining favor again. Lastly, there's Shockwave Medical, which has seen a dip in their stock recently. But hey, that could mean it's a good time to jump in for those looking for some growth potential. So keep an eye on these companies. They could be the next big thing in the market. Now, let's dive deeper into what's on the agenda for the economic scene this week. While it might not be jam-packed with data, there are certainly some significant events worth noting. First up, we've got Wednesday's eagerly awaited release of minutes from the Federal Reserve's meeting. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, these minutes offer a behind-the-scenes look at the discussions among Fed officials regarding monetary policy, particularly interest rates. Investors and analysts pore over these minutes like detectives, searching for any clues or hints about the future direction of interest rates. It's like reading the tea leaves of the financial world. But that's not all. Thursday also brings a couple of key indicators that could shed further light on the state of the economy. First, we have the initial jobless claims report, which provides insight into the number of individuals who have filed for unemployment benefits for the first time. This data is crucial for understanding the health of the labor market and gauging trends in unemployment. Additionally, we'll be keeping a close eye on S&P Global's Flash US Composite Index for February. This index combines several economic indicators to give us an overall picture of economic activity. After a somewhat lackluster performance in January, particularly with the weak retail sales, economists and investors will be keen to see if there are any signs of a rebound or further slowdown. So, while the economic calendar may not be overflowing with events this week, the ones that are on the horizon are certainly noteworthy. These releases have the potential to provide valuable insights into the future trajectory of interest rates, the job market, and the broader economy. Investors and analysts alike will be on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting the latest clues about where the economy may be headed next. Let's delve deeper into the world of semiconductors, these small yet mighty components driving the AI revolution. One of the key players in this arena is Nvidia, and the anticipation is palpable as they gear up to unveil their fourth quarter results. The spotlight is firmly fixed on Nvidia's guidance for the future, as market watchers eagerly anticipate what the company's performance might signify not only for the tech sector but also for broader economic trends. When it comes to Nvidia's upcoming Q4 results, the expectations are nothing short of sky high. Analysts on Wall Street are forecasting substantial year over year growth in both earnings per share and overall sales, underlining the immense pressure on Nvidia to deliver strong numbers. Of particular interest is Nvidia's performance in the realm of data center based artificial intelligence, which has been a primary driver of the company's recent successes. Investors and industry observers alike are keen to glean insights into the sustainability of this growth trajectory and any potential shifts in market dynamics that Nvidia's guidance might unveil. The significance of Nvidia's earnings report extends far beyond the confines of the tech industry. With its innovative strives in AI and deep learning, Nvidia's influence permeates various sectors, from healthcare to automotive and beyond. As such, the revelations within Nvidia's Q4 results could have ripple effects throughout the broader economy, shaping investment strategies and influencing market sentiment. In essence, Nvidia's earnings report is not merely a financial update for investors, but a pivotal moment that could chart the course for technological advancements and market trends in the months to come. So, buckle up because the implications of Nvidia's performance are poised to resonate far and wide. Let's now shift our focus to some big names in the stock market world: Walmart and Home Depot. These are what we call blue chip stocks, which basically means they're really big, well known companies with a solid track record. This week, both Walmart and Home Depot are gearing up to release their earnings reports, and investors are all ears, eager to see what insights they might offer into consumer spending habits and the overall retail landscape. First up, we've got Walmart, the retail behemoth. People are expecting Walmart to announce an increase in their total revenue, which is the amount of money they made, even though there might be a slight dip in their earnings, which is the profit they keep after all the expenses are taken out. This would actually be Walmart's first drop in earnings in about 6 quarters, so it's got folks paying attention. One thing that's particularly interesting to investors is Walmart's efforts to tackle theft, which they call shrink. How successful they've been with these anti-theft programs could play a big role in how investors view the company's performance. Then there's Home Depot, the go-to spot for all your home improvement needs. Just like with Walmart, investors are eagerly awaiting Home Depot's earnings report. They'll be watching closely to see how Home Depot's been doing and what they have to say about the future. It's all about market expectations and the guidance they give about what's coming next. So keep your eyes peeled, because these reports from Walmart and Home Depot could give us some valuable insights into the state of the retail world and where things might be headed. And let's not forget about the home builders. Toll Brothers is gearing up to report its fiscal first quarter earnings, and analysts are optimistic about its growth potential. Keep an eye on how they navigate the shifting landscape of interest rates and housing market dynamics. Toll Brothers has been showing strength in the housing market, with its stock setting up a promising 9-week flat base ahead of its earnings report. Analysts project single-digit gains in both earnings per share and sales, but the company's outlook and strategy in light of evolving economic conditions will be closely monitored by investors. Last but not least, we have the mining sector. Companies like BHP, Rio Tinto, and Vale will be providing updates on global metals demand. With economic uncertainties looming, these reports can offer valuable insights into the broader market trends. The mining sector plays a crucial role in the global economy, supplying essential metals for various industries. BHP and Rio Tinto, two of the world's largest mining companies, will be reporting their operational updates, shedding light on demand trends and market conditions. Additionally, Vale and gold miner Newmont will also be releasing their reports, offering further insights into the global metals market. And there you have it, folks, your comprehensive guide to the stock market week ahead. Whether you're eyeing AI stocks, retail giants, or mining companies, remember to stay informed and stay diversified. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Whispers. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert investing advice. Until next time, keep listening to those whispers and let them guide you to your next big win. See you soon.